Okay, so this is going to be the final gardening video, because of what time of year this is. I should have made this sooner, but whatever, everything in hindsight, right? So as you can see, here are the strawberries. One of the reasons I relented on making a video was because I fell behind on weeding a little bit. So these are the two tomato plants. And if you look, you can see how much the cucumbers grew. Cucumbers were more successful than tomatoes, as usual. And that's it. You know, on second thought, I'll show you the other parts of the garden, even though they're mostly diminished. Okay. This will just give you a vague idea of how much the cucumbers over here grew, even though there's not much left. And you can see the size of these cucumbers over here. The tomatoes in those two spots weren't as big as tomatoes in the first spot. Okay, so this is really the end of the video. That's it.